Hey guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to be showing you a special feature that's in Model Z, Z Air, and Model G. That's going to be our square frameless windows. Traditional windows in an RV are only going to open up 3 inches out. Our square frameless windows in Model Z and Z Air and Model G are all going to open up 6 inches, so it's going to give you increased airflow in your unit. We've also got integrated day and night shades. The night shade pulls down and will have a laminated thermofoil layer on the exterior. It's going to help keep your unit better insulated. The day shade, or also the bug screen, is going to pull up, and that's going to give you the airflow that you're looking for without letting the bugs and critters inside.